Hi, Alex.
Hi, Rochi.
I'm wondering about the importance of references in my paper. My supervisor always say that I have a big problem with my references.
Yes, the use of references and citation is very important when you are writing your academic piece of work. These are used to acknowledge that any idea, information, data that you are using in your paper might not be yours, but the work of another author.
Yes, my supervisor always remind me to make references. Otherwise, I will be accused of plagiarism.
Yes, plagiarism is a very serious mistake. It can even endanger your future professional career. So generally speaking, references and citations are incorporated in two places.
One is in-text citation, right? That is used to give credit to the original author or to indicate where the information comes from in the writing.
Yes, there are two types of in-text citation. First would be the author prominent, and the other one would be information prominent. So in the author prominent, we would write the name of the author followed by the year of publication of the work we are using in this case in brackets. And after that, following that, we would write the information we are extracting from his work, the quotation or paraphrasing of his work. So, and the second type would be the information prominent. So first we explain, we paraphrase, we quote the information we're extracting from this other author, and in the end we have to add the name of the author and the year of publication inside brackets.
And if what I cite is written in several different articles, which one should I use?
You must find the higher quality journal. So if you have different sources, you should find which one of them has been published in the higher quality one. Also, you should prioritize always primary sources.
Oh, now I know why my supervisor always think my references are unacceptable.
Another thing is the reporting verb. So there are some verbs that are used for these cases, for referencing and citing. For instance, we have the verb to clarify. That is, for example, this article clarifies, etc. Here we are using clarify as a reporting verb.
So what are the frequently used ones?
Well, it would depend on the mood of the paper you're writing. For example, if you want them to be functional or strong, you would use one verb or the other. Usually we have three types of this verb that we can classify. We have natural, tentative, and strong. Words like believe, clarify, and conclude belong to the natural ones.
And I guess the verbs like hypothesis, imply, or posit belongs to the group of tentative ones.
Yes, yes. So if your mood is strong, you may use words like argue, allege, and assert. And so neutral verbs would be used to say something that the writer does or does not without indicating any value or judgment. We have here believe, clarify, conclude, demonstrate. And then we have tentative, which are verbs to use to say what the writer suggests or speculate. Here we emphasize that the author is not sure about what he's saying. And so here some examples would be hypothesize, imply, posit, postulate. Then we have strong. These are the verbs that are used to say what the writer wants to say with a strong argument, with a strong statement. He is absolutely sure of what he is saying and he is able to defend it. Some example verbs of these are argue, allege, assert, challenge. So referencing is the last part for the teaching of academic writing, but before the end, one more crucial issue would be the coherence and cohesion of the writing.
Yeah, I've heard of those two concepts. I think coherence is about the relationship between different elements of the writing. It's the links that derived from the semantic development and the information organization and also the communicative purpose of the writing.
Yes. In order to write a coherent text, you need to follow the following points. 1, there is a clear thesis, which is the main idea of the text. 2, each part of the text has a topic sentence. 3, all topic sentences are connected to the thesis. 4, there is a clear progression of ideas throughout the text. And then 5, there is no logical gap between different parts of the text. And so for cohesion, it is the grammatical and or lexical relationships between the different elements of a text.
So what methods can I use to improve my coherence?
There are a few cohesive devices. Here are some types of them for you. Transitions and linking words, repetition of keywords, referencing words, pronouns, and parallel sentence pattern.
Yeah, I'm learning a lot. I think these are all practical skills.
I'm happy to hear that, and I hope that you will grasp them and be able to learn them.
I will try my best. Thanks a lot.
Thanks to you.